In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and tapping on allow and allow while using in the pop-ups. Then use this button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it though, click on the square one. Now you can add a title at the top and tap on delete or save at the bottom. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, tap on it, and to delete it, hold it and tap on bin icon at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!